This is a video tour for 1001 West Cullerton, Unit 2R in the Pilsen neighborhood of Chicago. This is a 4-unit building. As you approach the front door, you can see the door buzzers on the left with the Amazon key sticker, which means that Amazon can buzz themselves into the lobby for packages. The mailboxes are on the right as you enter the building. And since this unit is on the second floor, and there is not a third floor, so there's no one above you. As you enter the unit, the bathroom is on the right, and you can see there's 2 sinks. So it's double vanity, large mirror, and a shower. As you go back out into the hallway, the next door is the washer dryer. And there's your thermostat. It's central heat and central air. That's your in-unit washer dryer. Now there's 3 bedrooms. All 3 are approximately the same size. Here's the kitchen with granite countertops, maple cabinets, and stainless steel appliances with a large sink. Entering the first bedroom, you can see that it's good size with a window, and there is a large closet with mirrored sliding doors. And the second bedroom, identical to the first. So this is a great roommate situation with all 3 bedrooms exactly the same, with the same size closet and a window. And all the bedrooms also have ceiling fans, as well as the living room. And in the living room, you have a counter for stools. And then you have this nice rear deck. So it's a pretty good sized deck. And this is back to the street. You can also go down and go to the bike room. And there's the bike room. So thank you for taking a tour of 1001 West Cullerton, Unit 2R.